So after having this card for a while, this is what I was getting for my speed test. And I was like, you have to be kidding me. I have 1,000 gigabytes. I'm on fiber. 1,000 up, 1,000 down, and I am hardwired. And I get probably 50, the fastest speed. So I went into the device manager, right here, properties, and I go into advanced, and then I go to speed, and it says it's available for 1 gigabyte. All right, I do that, do this, and it knocks the network out, right? Then I go here, all right, and I restart the network adapter, boom. And it will not restart. It'll just stay there. It tries, and it tries, and it tries, and it still doesn't connect. So I go back here, and I go to properties. I've already tried updating the driver. It doesn't work. It's saying that I have the best driver. So I go back here, put it in auto negotiation, redo that. Then I come here, restart adapter, and it should start up right away. Oh, now it crashed. Yeah, I'm gonna have to replace it.